Now we're going to start talking about changing the appearance and look of your website. So let's hover over to the Appearance tab. And you'll notice the different sections that help you alter the look of your website. This section includes themes, customize, widgets, menus, header, and editor. In this video, we're going to go over the customize feature. So let's click into this. So this should be the page you should see. The left side has some options to change the appearance of your theme, and the right side is a preview of what your website looks like right now. The number of options available on this left side will be based on the theme you're using. So let's first click into 2013. So the first thing that it tells you is that we're using this theme called 2013. And down here it tells you more information about this particular theme. Next, let's click into site title and tagline. This allows you to make changes to your site title and tagline. So for example, if I wanted my site title to be Michael's website test, I just type in test and now you see the preview for what it would look like if that was my new site title. I could also do the same thing with my tagline and add the word test, and you'll notice that test has been added here. However, neither of these changes take place until I click on save and publish. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Another option I have is to display header text or not. So if I have this checked, it'll display my site title and my site tagline. If I uncheck it, both of those will disappear. And again, this won't take into effect until I click on save and publish. So I'm going to leave this checked. Next, let's click into colors. This controls what color the text of my site title and tagline will be. So let's say I want to change my site text header to be white. So I would just select current color and click into white. Now you can see a preview that my text has turned into white. If I wanted this text to remain white, I would click on save and publish. But I'm going to leave it as black and click on save and publish. Next is the header image. This allows me to control the image that's back here. And with this theme, it gives you several different sample header images that I could choose from. So I could have this design or I could have this design. So if I like this design, then I'm going to go ahead and click on save and publish. I'll show you how to upload your own image in the video about headers. However, if you don't want any image to be back here on the header, go ahead and click on remove image. And now we see that it's just plain white and we just have our site title and our site tagline. So if I want the image back though, all I need to do is click onto one of the header images and click on save and publish. The last thing is the static front page. So this should look familiar because it's the same thing as the option that was available under reading settings. What you'll start noticing about the WordPress dashboard is that there are multiple areas to edit the same thing. So here you can select whether you want to display your latest posts on your homepage, which is right here, or a static page as your homepage. Whatever option you want, after you've selected it, you want to make sure to hit save and publish. So this is a really basic and fast way to make minor changes to your appearance. This interface is also pretty useful because you can get a preview of what your changes look like before you make them. In the next video, we'll talk about themes, what they are and how they affect your site. Themes will be the major factor in determining the layout and design look of your site. I'll talk to you then.